If you are tired of constantly scrubbing floors, today I am diving into the top 13 best robot mops that can completely transform your cleaning routine. Welcome back to Smart Gadget Reviews, where I explore smart home tech that saves time and effort. These robot mops combine powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and hands-free convenience. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Airzeen Smart Robot Mop. The Airzeen Smart Robot Mop is a great choice if you want a simple, efficient, and budget-friendly cleaning solution for everyday use. I really like how it combines vacuuming and mopping in one compact design, saving both time and effort. It features intelligent navigation that helps it move smoothly around furniture while avoiding obstacles. The slim body allows it to clean under beds, sofas, and tight spaces easily. Its water tank delivers consistent moisture, ensuring effective mopping without leaving excess water behind. Battery performance is reliable for medium-sized spaces, and it automatically returns to recharge when needed. It is also easy to control, making it perfect for beginners. Overall, this robot mop delivers dependable performance, convenience, and value for keeping your floors clean every single day. 5000 PA Robot Vacuum Mop. The 5000 PA Robot Vacuum Mop is designed for powerful cleaning, making it perfect for homes with pets or heavy daily traffic. I was impressed by its strong suction that easily lifts dust, debris, and pet hair from different surfaces. It works efficiently on both hard floors and low-pile carpets without losing performance. The mopping function adds extra cleaning, leaving your floors looking fresh and polished. It uses smart mapping technology to clean in an organized pattern, avoiding repeated areas. The large dustbin and water tank reduce the need for constant maintenance. With app control, you can schedule cleaning sessions and adjust settings easily. Battery life is also strong, allowing extended cleaning runs. Overall, this robot mop delivers powerful performance, smart features, and reliable results for deeper cleaning needs. Tapo Smart Robot Mop. The Tapo Smart Robot Mop offers a connected and convenient cleaning experience that fits perfectly into modern lifestyles. I really like how it integrates with a mobile app, allowing you to control cleaning schedules and modes with ease. It uses smart sensors to navigate around obstacles and map your space efficiently. The mopping system provides consistent water flow, helping maintain a streak-free finish on hard floors. It also operates quietly, making it ideal for use during work or relaxation time. The battery is capable of covering large areas in a single run, which adds to its practicality. Setup is simple and user-friendly, even for beginners. Overall, this robot mop combines smart technology, ease of use, and reliable performance for maintaining clean and polished floors. DREAME Aqua Robot Mop. The DREAME Aqua Robot Mop delivers a premium cleaning experience with advanced features and impressive performance. I noticed how accurately it maps spaces, creating efficient cleaning paths that save both time and energy. It seamlessly switches between vacuuming and mopping, making it suitable for different floor types. The water control system ensures optimal moisture levels, preventing damage to sensitive surfaces. Its strong suction power effectively removes fine dust, dirt, and debris from various areas. The sleek design allows it to reach tight spots while maintaining a modern appearance. App integration provides full control over cleaning routines and scheduling. Battery life is reliable for extended cleaning sessions. Overall, this robot mop is a powerful and intelligent solution for users who want high performance and convenience in one device. Eureka Smart Robot Mop. The Eureka Smart Robot Mop is a dependable option for users who prefer simplicity and consistent cleaning performance. I appreciate how easy it is to set up and operate, making it ideal for everyday use. It features a smart navigation system that helps it move efficiently across floors while avoiding obstacles. The mopping function is gentle yet effective, keeping hard floors clean without excess moisture. Its compact design allows it to reach under furniture and into tight corners with ease. The battery life is suitable for moderate cleaning sessions, ensuring reliable operation. It also runs quietly, which is perfect for maintaining a peaceful environment. Overall, this robot mop offers practical features and steady performance, making it a reliable choice for maintaining clean floors effortlessly at home. Yeedi Smart Robot Mop. The Yeedi Smart Robot Mop is a well-balanced option that combines affordability with smart cleaning performance. I really like how it uses visual mapping technology to navigate efficiently around your home. It performs both vacuuming and mopping, ensuring a complete cleaning process in one go. The controlled water system prevents excess moisture, protecting your floors while delivering good results. Its suction power is strong enough to handle dust, pet hair, and everyday debris with ease. App control allows you to schedule cleaning and adjust settings according to your needs. The design is sleek and modern, fitting nicely into any home environment. Battery performance is reliable for regular cleaning tasks. Overall, this robot mop offers smart functionality and solid value for everyday cleaning needs. DREAME Smart Robot Mop. The DREAME Smart Robot Mop combines advanced technology with powerful cleaning performance for a premium experience. I found its mapping system highly accurate, ensuring every corner of your home is covered efficiently. The vacuuming power is strong, easily picking up dust and debris, while the mopping function leaves floors looking spotless. It offers multiple cleaning modes, allowing you to customize performance based on your needs. The large battery capacity supports extended cleaning sessions without interruption. It also integrates well with smart home systems, giving you convenient control options. The design feels premium and durable while still being practical for daily use. Overall, this robot mop provides powerful cleaning, smart features, and reliable performance for maintaining a clean and comfortable home environment. DREAME D20 Robot Mop. The DREAME D20 Robot Mop is built for users who want reliable performance and smart functionality in one device. I was impressed by its efficient navigation system that creates accurate cleaning paths for maximum coverage. It delivers strong suction, making it effective for both hard floors and carpets. The mopping feature uses controlled water distribution to ensure consistent and safe cleaning. Advanced sensors help it avoid obstacles and prevent falls, improving overall efficiency. Battery life is excellent, allowing it to clean larger areas without needing frequent recharging. The app control makes scheduling and customization simple and convenient. Its design is modern and practical for daily use. Overall, this robot mop offers dependable performance and smart features, making it a solid choice for maintaining clean floors.
Smart Self-Emptying Robot Mop. The Smart Self-Emptying Robot Mop is designed for users who want a truly hands-free cleaning experience at home. I really like its automatic emptying feature, which transfers collected dust into a larger base station, reducing maintenance. It combines strong suction with effective mopping, ensuring a thorough cleaning process across different surfaces. The smart navigation system maps your home accurately and avoids obstacles with ease. App control allows you to manage cleaning schedules and customize settings remotely. The large base capacity means less frequent emptying, saving time and effort. Battery performance is strong enough for extended cleaning sessions. Overall, this robot mop delivers convenience, efficiency, and powerful cleaning, making it perfect for users who want minimal effort with maximum results. Smart LiDAR Robot Mop. The Smart LiDAR Robot Mop stands out with its advanced laser navigation system that delivers precise and efficient cleaning. I noticed how accurately it maps rooms, creating organized cleaning paths that avoid unnecessary overlap. This ensures complete coverage while saving time and battery life. The powerful suction works well on various surfaces, while the mopping feature leaves floors clean and polished. It supports multi-level mapping, making it ideal for larger homes. The app provides detailed control, including scheduling and setting restricted zones. Battery life is reliable for long cleaning sessions without interruption. The design is sleek and modern, fitting easily into any home environment. Overall, this robot mop offers advanced navigation, smart control, and strong performance for efficient daily cleaning.
ECOVACS Smart Robot Mop. The ECOVACS Smart Robot Mop delivers high-end performance with a range of smart features designed for convenience. I really like its intelligent mapping system, which creates detailed floor plans for efficient cleaning routes. It combines powerful suction with effective mopping to ensure a deep and thorough clean. The app control is easy to use, allowing you to schedule and customize cleaning sessions effortlessly. It also supports voice commands, adding another layer of convenience. The build quality feels premium, and the design is both stylish and durable. Battery life is impressive, covering large areas without needing frequent recharging. Overall, this robot mop offers advanced features, reliable performance, and smart functionality, making it a great choice for modern homes. Lefant Smart Robot Mop.
The Lefant Smart Robot Mop is designed for users who need a compact and efficient cleaning solution for smaller spaces. I found its slim design especially useful for cleaning under furniture and in tight corners. It provides decent suction power for handling everyday dust and debris without difficulty. The mopping feature helps maintain clean and fresh-looking floors with minimal effort. It operates quietly, making it suitable for use at any time without causing disturbance. Battery life supports regular cleaning sessions, ensuring consistent performance. The controls are simple and easy to understand, which is great for beginners. Overall, this robot mop is a practical and affordable option for maintaining cleanliness in smaller homes or apartments.
5,000 PA Smart Robot Mop. The 5,000 PA Smart Robot Mop delivers strong cleaning performance combined with smart features for everyday convenience. I was impressed by its powerful suction, which easily handles dust, dirt, and pet hair across different surfaces. The mopping system works efficiently, leaving floors clean without streaks. It uses intelligent navigation to map your home and create optimized cleaning routes. App control allows you to schedule cleanings and adjust settings based on your preferences. It also includes obstacle detection, ensuring smooth operation around furniture and other objects. Battery life is reliable, supporting extended cleaning sessions without interruption. The design is modern and practical for daily use. Overall, this robot mop provides powerful performance and smart functionality for maintaining clean floors effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. I hope this breakdown of the top 13 best robot mops helped you find the right smart cleaning companion for your home. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more in-depth Amazon product reviews coming soon. Before we wrap up, before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below, know about the price and information. Don't forget to hit subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss on our latest top product reviews.